Hello everyone, welcome today it's Saturday in the daily newspaper on July the 7th 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. We have here also a quintuplet, I believe. Look, we have a quintuplet. And there is, I think, I do not know, I'm not sure, also extra Sudokus. But I need to look in the newspaper. But first, priority is to solve this medium Sudoku. And before I start, I now always count the printed numbers. How many printed numbers are there in this puzzle? We have here 3, 4, 6, 10, 14, 18, 19, 22 plus 5 is 27. 27, that means if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this is a 1 star. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. We have an 8 in this column. In the third column, an 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. In this big square, oh wait. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with 8. Let me use another number. How about the number? The number. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 numbers are the 2 and the 3 in this big square. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But we have a 3 in this column. So in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The 3 cannot be in this box because we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 3 over there. So no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column should be also the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 6 and 9. How about 2 and 3 and 2, 3 and 1. Alright. And now yeah, I'm scanning. What number? We have a 9 in this column, a 9 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2, I'm missing the 2. The 3 is also missing. Yeah. No. How about I think I need to mark some boxes because I think there are a lot of pairs. 5, 5 and yeah, 1, 5 and all right. In this big square, the 3 is missing. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. The 4 is missing in this big square. We have a 4 here. So these 2 boxes could be a 4. And the 2 could be everywhere. Well, if I look to this row, the 2 cannot be here. So it must be there together with the 4 as a pair, and this should be the 3. Yeah, the 2 and the 4 are a pair. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This should be a 3 in this row. We have here the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. two numbers left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 9 and the 6 are left in this big square, so we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, how about 1, 3? We have a 3 in the last row, a 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1, the first column, the 1, 5, and the 3 are missing. 1, 5, and the 3. We have a 3 and a 5 here in the last row, so 1 digit left should be the 1. So the 3 and the 5 are left now in the first column. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 3, here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then, alright. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here or could be there. That means 5 in the last row, 5 in one of those two boxes in that row. So in the middle row, in the row between, the only two places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3. So in this row, 5 is missing. The 6 is also missing. We see here 6 and the 7 is missing. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Six and the 9, 6 and the 9. Alright. How about the number? Here we have a 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the second row. So on the third row, the only two places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. 2 boxes left. In this row, the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, well, 3 boxes left. The 9, the 4, and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. How about 9, 6, 7, 7, no. Let me think. How can I solve this? 1. I need a 1. Yeah. 2. Bad. 2, 4, and 2, 4, and then I need a 7 here. Yeah. About these three, the 2 is missing. Yes, these 3 missing numbers in the middle column, those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 8. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. And we see here 2 and an 8, so 1 digit left for the 4. The 2 and the 8 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 7. No, the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9, same like here, 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, 6 and the 9. Well, I need to wait. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 2. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number number 7. Yeah, number 7. Then 1, the 6, and the 8. Yeah, I'm missing the 8 here. We have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this row, the first row for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row, the third row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 number left in this row, the last row for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 9, we see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like or want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time. Bye bye.